Clever ways to design a 1 BHK apartment. Find out how to create a highly functional 1 BHK flat without compromising on style. A 1 BHK house, that is a house with a bedroom, hall and kitchen, usually has an area of around 400 to 650 square feet. The restricted square footage makes it challenging to accommodate multiple functions and adequate storage. However, with clever planning, one can design an efficient 1 BHK home. These tips can help you to create a well-designed space which is full of style and functionality. Use neutral colors. Neutral colors impart a bright and airy look. These colors add an element of spaciousness, while dark surfaces absorb light and make the space feel smaller. Optimize storage. You can maximize the storage space with a set of drawers below the bed or go for furniture which has adequate provision for storage. Design a clutter-free space. Create a well-organized space with plenty of built-in storage to create a clutter-free space. Consider an open kitchen. The open kitchen adds spaciousness and allows adequate circulation space inside the home. Eliminate solid walls. Try to employ open shelves to partition the dining area from the open kitchen. Introduce multifunctional furniture. A built-in seating can convert into two-tier bed. A drop-leaf dining table can be lowered during meal times and then folded back to act as a shutter for storage cabinets. Or a Murphy or pull-down bed folds back into the wall when not in use. Let in natural light. Install a glass door and large glass panels to bring in the outer views. This arrangement creates an expanded space that is flooded with natural light. Install wall shelves. Incorporate interesting wall shelves to add purpose and create extra storage space on blank walls. Introduce recessed lighting. The recessed lighting functions as task lighting for the countertop, reading, and can result in a mesmerizing ambience. Add mirrors. Introduce large mirrors to expand the space, as they reflect natural light and create a bright and airy look.